Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional as well as an owner of a Google Party company. Today, I'm here with a new question. So let's get started on the question I have today. And the question is: we got exterior cleaning company new to Google Ads. Started our campaign 4 days ago. We were already charged $236, but have gotten 3 clicks out of 16. How is this possible? Is there such thing as click fraud? And how to avoid click fraud? Okay, so these are you got 16 clicks and average of 14.77 CPC is high, and you got 3 clicks out of 16 clicks, so not bad. Okay, so I'm gonna answer it according to your data. Okay, because you got 3 calls and your CPC is high as well. So let me answer first your question: is there such thing as click fraud and how to work click fraud? Okay, there actually happens if there is a click fraud, and that is a reality of happening with Google. But Google has said that their advanced formula automatically adjust any bad clicks happens to it. If you follow a trend, you can also report to Google. Majority of the time, if you see such trend of click fraud, Google automatically sort them out for you. But there are tools available like ClickGuard, and there are other analytical softwares available through which you can sort it out. If you even hire me and my team, and we have a solution for this analytical issue, and we work with IP behavior to determine if there is a behavior of a specific IP of clicking multiple times and not visiting the website for longer time, and we can eventually block those IPs. Okay, so now the question is, because you started 4 days ago, you got $236, you got conversions, it means that you actually have something working. But I can suggest you a few things. First of all, I highly suggest you to create a call ad. Okay, a call ad, can significantly increase your call chances, because that call has a cursor mouse on through which people can directly call from their mobile device. So, having added a call ad is a definitely recommend yes for you. And now, because you have a very high CPC, for which I recommend you to work with your quality score. Okay, to work with the quality score, what I'm going to suggest you is to create small campaigns uh, as per different locations, create highly customized keyword ads for low set of keywords. So highly customized ad for low number of data keywords. Okay, so we can fulfill the intent through which people are clicking our ad. This can increase our CTR. Also do relevancy. Okay, relevancy means relevant ad with relevant keyword, landing page, and ad is going to win a perfect formula. So I recommend you to do it. Also change your bidding strategy. Work on maximize clicks for now to see if it can help you with generating more conversions, or try bid impression share to see if it can help you. We need to experiment it out, and we also need to figure out what kind of a keywords you are doing. So I need to optimize your search terms for your keyword, so that can also figure out where we are wrong or where we need to be right. So that is also the part of your campaign audit strategy, and that is to determine our keywords. Okay, so these are few of the things through which I believe that you can increase your calls for your Google Ads campaign. But still, in case if you want me and my team to have a professional look, even the audience, if you guys need our service, me and my team is available. You just can hire us through the link in the description. We look forward working with you guys to create an awesome Google Ads campaign through which you can generate amazing sales. So I look forward working with you guys. So thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, so that whenever I create any video, you guys get a notification regarding this. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.